This is HSK 1, lesson number 11, and we're going to correct page number 77 in the workbook. We have to read the questions on the left and choose the right answer to each of them on the right. So, as I always say to you, it is very important to draw a line here, because that way it's easier that we avoid some common mistakes with this kind of exercises. Okay, so I think this is a very good advice. It was really good for me, and I hope that it's also useful for you. Okay, so let's start it with just checking the translation for these sentences. Okay, so first of all, we have 21st. 下午3点你去学校吗? So, do you go to school at 3 o'clock in the afternoon? Okay, we have this one here. The next, 你什么时候回北京? When are you returning to Beijing? 中午你工作吗? Do you work in midday, we can say, or in the afternoon, but at midday is correct because 中午, the meaning is from 12 on, okay? 12 o'clock in the morning on. 你中午去吃饭吗? Do you go to eat at midday? And the last one, 大卫去看电影吗? Does David go to see a movie? So we have this question here. Okay, the next part is translate the answers here on the right. So, 不去学校，我在家. Don't go to school. I am at home. Okay, remember 家 can be family or just home. 我不去，没有时间. I don't go. I don't have time. Okay? Next, 不工作，你12点来吧. Don't work. You at 12 o'clock come. And here with this part, I'm making a suggestion. Okay, so here I'm writing this because this is to make a suggestion to somebody. Then we have 星期五前, so before Friday. Okay, this is interesting because in Chinese we say Friday before. Remember the word order here, the sentence order, which is very important. But in English, we say before Friday, okay? And the last one, this one is 他不想去. He doesn't want to go, okay? So with this, we have this part done. Now we're going to match the sentences. So 21st, do you go to school at 3 o'clock in the afternoon? And we can say that this goes with letter A. 不去学校，我在家. Don't go to school, I am at home. Okay? 22. 你什么时候回北京? And we have here letter D. 星期五前, 星期五前 before Friday. Number 23. 中午你工作吗? And we have letter C. Okay? The key word here is 工作, which means to work. So don't work. 你12点来吧. Maybe they are talking about this because they are planning to go to this person's house. Okay, so the question is, are you working? No, I don't work. You can come to my house. Okay, so that is why they're using this verb come, to come to somebody's house. Okay, and then we have 24. 你中午去吃饭吗? Do you go to eat at midday? And letter B. 我不去，没有时间. I don't go. The reason, because I don't have the time. Okay, and number 25, 大卫去看电影吗? Does David go to see a movie? And the important part here is that we are talking about a third person, which is David. And we are not talking about David in the answers on the right, but we have this subject, which is he, okay? He doesn't want to go, okay? I'm going to correct here, okay? Now it's perfect. He doesn't want to go, okay? So here you have doesn't, okay? And we here have this answer, which is letter E, okay? So with this, we finish correcting this exercise.